I don't know, I hate to say it, but like what an idiot I am or something, because look at this. We like to carry some of these with us because you just never know. And you got a lot of options here. We are using several of these. What do you guys think? $3. So in this video, I am really excited because I'm gonna take you inside of a local Dollar Tree. Now, here's the thing. Yes, Dollar Tree has raised their prices slightly, but with that comes some great new products and a new Dollar Tree Plus section. I have been finding great finds for RV life and organization both. So let's go check it out. This actually wasn't on my list, but I just ran across it, and this is something I absolutely love. These S hooks. So these work great because you can use this to expand closet storage. You can use this for a lot of ways. I like to use it where I can basically then hang things off of like something in the closet, but $1.25, and I'm actually gonna get one of these because I have something that I need to use it for. So here's where the Dollar Tree Plus stuff is actually still a really good deal. So you've got $5 for the soft-sided rope basket. Now I love these for RV storage because they're flexible and they have some give. And then they have these smaller sizes too for only $3. So this is an absolute great buy. So this is actually a great buy. This is 12 pieces of like marshmallow roasting sticks for $1.25. So we like to carry some of these with us because you just never know when you might need to make some impromptu s'mores. They also have a great selection of some barbecue type tools. So you've got like a metal spatula, some metal tongs. These are absolutely wonderful for cooking on the Blackstone, and $1.25. I mean, you totally can't beat that price. So one thing that is super handy about the Dollar Tree is they have so many different shapes and sizes and options when it comes to storage bins. So it's a super budget friendly way to organize your RV. Just take some measurements of the space that you're needing to fit those in, and you got a lot of options here for cheap. Look at this whole little section of like barbecue tools and stuff like that. So many different great options. Again, super inexpensive. Throw those in your camper and you are ready to go. So one thing that I love at the Dollar Tree too are things like these dish soaps. Now, the reason I like it from Dollar Tree, so for $1.25, you can get a bottle of Dawn, but these bottles are nice and compact. So when you're thinking about an RV or a camper, this is what I like to call RV size. Okay, I am having like a moment where I'm realizing maybe like, I don't know, I hate to say it, but like what an idiot I am or something, because look at this. These are just like the ones that we got at Buc-ee's. And if you get a Buc-ee's shirt, you can get a sticker. And I could have just thrown a Buc-ee's sticker and had the same thing for $1.25 versus what I paid the Beaver. Oh well, live and learn. All hail the Beaver. The cult leader Beaver right here. This hair strainer for $1.25. It's called the Hair Cyclone. So you just put this down into your drain area and it traps all of the hair and stuff like that. I'm actually gonna get this for the RV because the mesh screen one that we were using, I feel like then got like clogged with soap scum and things like that. This looks like that it would be a better solution just to get the hair, but not actually like stop up the drain. And for $1.25, I think I can risk it. So here's something in the automotive section of the Dollar Tree. This says wall protectors, but these are just like those little rubber bumpers that you can put on the bottoms of lots of things. These work so great for things on a travel day to be able to keep them from sliding around surfaces like a table or like countertops. So great way to be able to keep your stuff on the counter and not have to worry about pulling everything down on a travel day. Okay, here is another one of those things that with the addition of the Dollar Tree Plus items. So $3 for an 8x10 foot tarp. Tarps are great to throw into your RV tool belt because you don't know that you have a water leak until all of a sudden you have a water leak and you're in the middle of a rainstorm. So this is a great tool to have on hand, is an in case, but also just if you have your patio furniture out and a rainstorm comes up, you can just cover it real fast, keep it covered and protected from the rain for $3. super inexpensive. Now, while Dollar Tree is great for stocking up on those little things, there's one big thing it definitely can't fix, and that's that rock hard excuse for a mattress that your RV came with, which is why we love sharing about how much we really truly love our mattress from rvmattress.com, which is the sponsor of this video. Now, what's great is they offer mattresses in almost any size for your home or RV with lots of different options for any sleeping style. And their mattresses come rolled in boxes, making installation in an RV super easy, whether it's a tiny space or a full bedroom. Now, we recently helped our friends replace the mattress that came in their brand new fifth wheel because, let's be honest, those factory RV mattresses, well, they're basically a padded suggestion, really. Another reason we love RV Mattress is because everything ships quickly and free from their factory in Arizona. And with a limited lifetime warranty and 120-night sleep trial, they stand behind their products. Visit rvmattress.com/grateful to save 30% off, or check the description below for the link and the details. And a huge thanks to rvmattress.com for sponsoring this video. All right, so over in the garden section, you have these kneeling pads. Now, these are great because there are so many times when you're gonna need to get down on your knees to either put leveling blocks under your stabilizers or check under your RV for something at some point. Throwing this in your RV is a nice tool to have. Save the knees. Small and compact, and $1.25. Okay, so over here, this is kind of what they call the Dollar Tree Plus section. So these are things that are more than $1.25, but most of the things that you find here are $3, $5, maybe even $10. Speaking of which, camping chair for $9. I mean, you cannot go wrong. It's nice to have a few extras stashed away in case that you make some friends at the campground and want to have everybody over around the campfire later. So also over here in the Dollar Tree Plus section, they have some heavier duty bins and just larger bins in general. So this is another really inexpensive way to keep things organized. Lots and lots of options in lots of different colors. Okay, so over here in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $3, they have this rack system. So you can hang your broom handles, whatever you want to hang in there. We actually have used this for even things like screwdrivers in the RV. There's a lot of different ways that you can use this. I've seen people use this for hair tools with like curling irons. $3 for kind of an extra long one. And then I've also seen ones here where it's basically two of them for $1.25. So pretty handy little organizing tool. $3. Over in this section, they have got a lot of different organizing options. So you've got these collapsible storage containers, $1.25 for these, lots of different sizes and colors. These over the door hooks, we are using several of these, one of them in our RV, the other one's in the Glamper hideaway. These are so great for storage. And this particular style, you can actually take this, bend these ones up, and then zip tie them together to make a double layer. I'm doing that for Dakota's hats at the Glamper hideaway. So lots of different options in this particular section. These mesh laundry bags are great for more than just laundry. These can actually double as packing cubes. So if you do need to pack a suitcase to go somewhere, you can skip those pricey packing cubes and use one of these mesh laundry bags instead. And then of course you've got lots of other storage options. So you even have like this storage bag to be able to put under a bed. If you've got storage under the bed, a lot of RVs have those beds that flip up, and it's nice to be able to use something to store those items in instead of just throwing them under the bed. Mothballs keeps away the moths. Actually, those can also keep away some other types of rodents and things like that. You'll have to let us know. Have you used mothballs in your RV if you stored it? And do you think it worked or not? Let us know in the comments below. Another product that they have here is this moisture eliminator, or some people, the brand name would be Damp Rid. So this is a great dupe at a great price at $1.25.
Look, there's even nose plugs for when somebody goes to the bathroom in the RV.
Actually, I do feel like clothespins are one of those like unsung heroes where there's so many things you can do with clothespins. You can use these as like chip clips for bags. There's so many varied uses. I feel like clothespins are kind of like the Swiss Army knife sometimes of just living in general. What do you guys think? $3 for a lady's straw hat. America. Just found these. This is a 10-gallon tub with the rope handles, $5. These actually work great in a like basement storage compartment of an RV or even an RV closet to be able to store things in as well. And if you need to wash something outside, there you go, charcoal grill for $15. So there you go. This would be so easy to transport. Or look at this. Here's a little 12-inch grill. You gotta put your charcoal in it, but little tabletop 12-inch grill, $5. That is a great deal. You know, the other thing they have here at the Dollar Tree, these smaller cutting boards. Again, I like to call these things RV size. And this is the perfect size because it doesn't take up a lot of room in a cupboard and it's only $1.25. I wanna let you know, if you wanna come travel with us, we've got just the opportunity for you. We just opened up reservations to join us on a cruise next spring in 2026. And this is not just any cruise. This is an RV YouTuber meetup cruise, and you can join us and our friends Phil and Stacy from Today is Sunday, Chad and Tara from Changing Lanes, Joe and Rachel from Two Crazy Campers, and Howard and Caitlin from New State Nomads. There's going to be a lot of fun to be had with all of our friends and fellow travelers. You can learn more and reserve your cabin with a small deposit at gratefulglamper.com/cruise. And trust me, this cruise will sell out quick. It's going to be the most popular cruise of the year, so you want to book your cabin as soon as possible. These things. So you'll have to let me know what sort of things have you found from Dollar Tree for RV life. Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know, would you want to see like a whole entire RV makeover with Dollar Tree products? Let me know down below. And in the meantime, I've got a bunch of RV Dollar Tree DIYs for you right up here.